In this video, I will show you how to delete your Facebook account. First, open the Facebook app and tap the menu icon in the top left corner of the screen. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy, then select Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, tap See More in Account Center. From there, scroll down and tap Manage Accounts, as shown here. Next, select your Facebook account by tapping Manage. You'll now see the deactivation or deletion option, so tap on it. This time, choose Delete Account instead of Deactivate Account. Then tap Continue. Follow the on-screen prompts, and when asked, enter your password to verify your identity. Finally, tap Continue and confirm that you want to permanently delete your Facebook account. Keep in mind that Facebook gives you a grace period to cancel the deletion by logging back into your account before it is permanently removed. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.